big day. We've got 2 going concern flags, an activist double feature, and a semiconductor blowout. 5 companies. Let's go.
Starting with 4572, this biotech is in serious trouble. Insolvent, net assets negative 408 million yen, explicit going concern doubt.
They issued 1.85 billion in bonds with a covenant. If they stay insolvent 6 months past year-end, bondholders can demand early repayment. Plus, warrants for up to 7.7 million shares to fund dosirutinib. Dilution risk is enormous.
Raise or die. And Athos Capital just took 4.9% on top of everything.
Same survival story at 5216. Gabevig concern uncertainty, but they're pivoting hard from robotics to perovskite solar.
Robot sales collapsed 72%. They spun off perovskite into a subsidiary and signed a JV framework with China's Polyrox Chemical. Except Polyrox is under CSRC regulatory censure. That funding is very much in question.
Raised 600 million in 2 third-party allotments just to stay afloat. Desperate capital reallocation.
Switching gears to 4967. Kobayashi Pharmaceutical, the Benikoji scandal keeps bleeding. 661 million yen special loss, and they say future costs remain impossible to estimate.
Meanwhile, Oasis Management crossed 20%, full activist territory. Kobayashi is shifting to an audit and supervisory committee structure, but that open-ended litigation liability is the real story. Operating profit collapsed 67%, despite sales growing 2.5%.
Doubled ad spend to rebuild trust. Painful quarter with no end in sight on the legal exposure.
Completely different vibe at 6383. Record highs across the board. Orders, sales, profit, net income all at mid-term records.
The semiconductor segment CFI saw orders up 80% and sales up 113% on generative AI demand. They closed the Eisenman acquisition July 1st, and 15.7 billion in convertibles got exercised into equity, pushing the equity ratio to 62.5%.
New CEO too. Tomoaki Terai took over in January. Clean handoff.
Finally, 9147. Nippon Express. Elliott just showed up with 6.1%.
And the timing is telling. Operating profit surged 57%. They're buying back 50 billion in shares, unwinding cross-shareholdings, and just announced a 1.8 billion KDA acquisition of Metro Supply Chain in Canada.
Elliott loves exactly this playbook. Profitable company, capital efficiency upside. The debt refinance from short to long term already signals management is listening.
Watch for covenant breach timing at 4572 and Polyrox funding news at 5216. Both are ticking clocks.
And whether Elliott pushes for more aggressive moves at Nippon Express. See you tomorrow.